Some of you have written in asking about ways to record videos for your students in which you appear on camera and share your screen. Here are some tools to consider. For a quick video message to students with no screen share, Windows has a built-in camera app. Access it from the Start menu. By default, the still camera is selected. Switch over to the video camera here. You should see yourself on the screen. If not, select the proper camera here. Hit record and start your message. Hit the record button again to stop. You'll find these quick videos in your Pictures folder under the camera roll. By default, the name of the file is the time and date of recording, and you can change the file's name by right-clicking on it and choosing Rename. This file can stay on your device, or a better way to share is to open OneDrive and upload it to your cloud storage. The next tool to explore is Zoom. With Zoom, you can record a video and alternate between your front-facing camera and your screen, or both. Open up Zoom and start a meeting at which you are the only one in attendance. Make sure you have your video showing and your audio on. Make sure any shared materials are open and hit the record button. You'll be asked if you want to save the recording on the cloud or on your computer. In this example, we'll save to the computer. Press the button here to share your screen. As you can see, Zoom allows you to choose from among the screens you have open. There is also an option listed under Advanced to use your PowerPoint slides as a virtual background, which can be handy if you want to show yourself and your presentation together. When using this option for the first time, you may be prompted to install a plugin. Also, this feature works only in Zoom Desktop Client version 5.2 or later, and if it's not showing up, you'll need to download the latest version at zoom.us. And when you wish to stop your share, hit this button here. Press the record button again when you want to stop recording. Zoom will take a moment to process your video, and then you'll have it to share with your students. Screencastomatic is another worthy tool that is free to try. Go to screencastomatic.com and look along the top for Education. Then at upper left, you'll see a Sign Up It's Free button. Enter your email, then wait for your verification message. In the next step, you'll enter a name and password in response to that confirmation. Eventually, you'll end up at a screen listing your videos, which you have yet to create. Hit the video camera button in the upper right to launch the recorder. The settings window allows you to change cameras, resolution, microphone, and whether this is a screen recording, a webcam recording, or both. Change the preferences by hitting this button. The scored line around the outside indicates the recording space. Hit the record button and wait for the 3-second countdown. With Screencast-O-Matic's free version, you can record up to 15 minutes. It helps if you have open any files you want to share, so you can have them pop up in your recording window. Hit the pause button to take a break, and the done button when you're done. You have the choice of saving the recording to your account online, downloading it to your computer, or sharing it with a quick link. Good luck recording yourself and your screen, and we can't wait to see your videos. And if there's a tutorial you'd like to see, drop us a note.